Hi, I'm Angel. I was part of the preview workshop today. I think the most interesting thing for me was that this workshop, which consisted of 5 people only, showcased how important communication is in any company, especially in big companies where you have like a certain organizational chart and a certain way of communicating with your teammates and your managers. And I think it gives us an idea of how this could escalate if the bigger the organization is, and how much we could learn from just performing this with 5 people. And I assume multiplicating this with an organization where there are 300, 500, 1,000, 2,000 people would bring a lot of value to any company that would do it. So I warmly recommend it.